In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Copilot. If Copilot isn't responding in the language you prefer, there are a few reliable places to update it, and I'll walk you through each one so you can pick what works best. Let's start on the Copilot website. Open Microsoft Copilot and sign into your Microsoft account. In the top corner, click your profile picture to open your account menu. Choose Settings or go directly to your Microsoft account settings if that appears instead. In the Settings area, look for Language and Region. Open that section and select the language you want Copilot to use. After you save, refresh the page or sign out and back in to make sure the change takes effect. Microsoft says Copilot supports many languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and more, so pick the one that fits you. Next, if you're using Copilot on Windows, remember that Copilot often follows your Windows display language. Open the Settings app, go to Time and Language, then Language and Region. Under Windows Display Language, choose your preferred language. Windows may ask you to sign out or restart, follow the prompt. This system change can influence how Copilot behaves and which language it uses in the desktop experience. Another important fix is your browser language because some versions of Copilot prioritize the browser over your account settings. In Google Chrome, open the browser and type Chrome/settings/languages into the address bar. Add your preferred language if it isn't listed and move it to the top so it's the default. Then restart Chrome. Many community users have reported that this alone resolves language mismatches on the web. If you only need a quick switch in the moment, you can ask Copilot directly. Type something like reply in Spanish or speak in English, and Copilot can often change its response language for that conversation without any additional setup. A few things to keep in mind as you test these changes. Some features inside Copilot support fewer languages than the main interface, so certain tools might still appear in a default language. Voice mode can automatically adjust to regional accents. Occasionally, users have noticed Copilot switching languages unexpectedly. And in some cases, your browser language can override your Microsoft account language, which is why adjusting Chrome can be so effective. That's it. You now know the key places to change Copilot's language and how to force a quick temporary switch when you need it.